Hey guys, this is my new drone. I just bought it from Amazon today. Let me show you how it works. Hey guys, this is the remote of my new drone. Firstly, let me explain the keys to you. Here it has the up key and the down key which will move your drone up and down. Do not touch the left and right keys for now. At the right and left, right, forward, backward are the keys to move your drone in any direction. This is the takeoff land key to initiate the flight of the drone. Headless key makes your drone control easy. One key return will bring back your drone to you in a straight path, so avoid using it when you have hurdles in your way. Emergency stop is to stop your drone while crash landing. Fine tuning is used in plain fields. Gyro calibration helps in drone stability. Speed switch is used to move 1x, 2x, and 3x fast upon each press.
It's caught in the crossfire. It's caught in the crossfire.